I'm Kason. I'm Managing Director of Toronto Partner with Country Garden in Mainland.
I'm Chai. I'm the Joint Managing Director of Country Garden Properties Malaysia Sdn Bhd.
Country Garden is a top 10 developer in China. We have more than 200 projects over China.
As to date, Mainland has developed more than 20,000 units of properties and it owns more than 500 acres of land bank across the whole Malaysia.
Of course, Mainland is our leader, our teachers to bring Country Garden to come to Malaysia for investment. We have more than 20 years experience in China to do the big township concept.
Country Garden has vast experience developing major township in China, giving 5-star living. First in the history of Malaysia property industry, a township encompasses a 57,000 square feet clubhouse, fully equipped with extraordinary facilities like bowling alley, mini theatre, wellness centre, gym, which were already built even before the houses are built for sale. It has come to a trend where the houses become just like something like boxes, sad to say. The day when we went to China, when we saw these Spanish concept villas in China, we were so impressed that we thought that Malaysians would definitely favour of it, and this has proven that we are not wrong. There are more and more highways connected to the southern part of Klang Valley, which is Semenyih area. With the completion of the MRT line in the year of 2017, even bring a better connectivity. And we are glad to say that, in fact, more than 60% of our units has been sold. And why do we still need to conduct such a big fiesta for our official open? Actually, we are trying to give back to our owners, to give back good traits to our owners, and show our sincerity, and of course to demonstrate our good products.
On behalf of Country Garden Properties, we look forward to seeing you soon in Diamond City.